Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables connected by sum or all of the four fundamental operations, that is a plus, minus, multiply and division sign. For example, a plus b, 2x plus 3, 7x square minus 5xy plus y square z minus 8 are the examples of algebraic expression. Terms of an algebraic expression. The different parts of an algebraic expression separated by the sign plus or minus sign are called the terms of the expression. Constants. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is known as a constant. Variable. A symbol which takes various numerical values is known as a variable. The perimeter of a square, that is P, equal to 4 into side, equal to 4 into S, where 4 is a constant while P and S are variables. The circumference of a circle, that is denoted as C, equal to 2 pi r. So here 2 and pi are constants while C, circumference and radius are variables. Now, various types of algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression having only one term is called a monomial. For example, 5x, 2xy, minus 3a square b, minus 7, etc. An algebraic expressions having two terms is called a binomial. For example, 2a plus 3b. An algebraic expression having three terms is called a trinomial. For example, a plus 2b plus 5c. An algebraic expression containing four terms is called a quadrinomial. For example, x plus y plus z minus 3. Similarly, pentanomial, 5 terms, hexanomial, 6 terms, heptanomial, 7 terms, octanomial, 8 terms, neptanomial, 9 terms, decanomial, 10 terms. Use Greek prefix plus monomial. Now add. You have learned in previous classes in class 6 addition, subtraction. So now recall them. Add x minus 3y plus 4z, comma, y minus 2x minus 8z, comma, 5x minus 2y and 3 minus 3z. You can do it by two methods, column methods or horizontal methods. Column methods: x minus 3y plus 4z, minus 2x plus y minus 8z, 5x minus 2y minus 3z. Now add it. Write all like terms in same row, same column. So x minus 2x plus 5x, x plus 5x, 6x, 6x minus 2x, that is 4x. Similarly, minus 3y minus 2y, minus 5y, plus y, that is minus 4y. Now 8 minus 8z minus 3z minus 11z plus 4z equal to minus 7z. By horizontal method, x minus 3y plus 4z, common bracket closed, plus y minus 2x minus 8z, common bracket closed, plus 5x minus 2y minus 3z, common bracket closed. Now write the like terms in consequent to x minus 2x plus 5x plus minus 3y plus y minus 2y plus 4 4z minus 8z minus 3z, x plus 5x, 6x, 6x minus 2x equal to 4x. Similarly, minus 3y minus 2y minus 5y plus y equal to minus 4y. 8z minus 8z minus 3z minus 11z. The 4 minus 11, that is minus 7z. Similarly, you can do the subtraction. Subtract a square plus b square minus 2ab from a square plus b square plus 2ab. Column method. Write the algebraic expression which is from which is after from. So write in above line a square plus b square plus 2ab, and the algebraic expression a square plus b square minus 2ab write in the below, and the like terms below the like terms. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now change the sign. Here plus a square, so write minus opposite sign minus a, plus b square, so write minus b square, minus 2ab, right, plus 2ab. Now add it. Plus a square minus a square 0, plus b square minus b square 0, plus 2ab plus 2ab, that is 4ab. Similarly, you can do horizontal methods. Now worksheet 1 page 111 and 112. Find the product. 9x cube multiply 2x raised to the power 4. Now write the numerical coefficients first of all. So 9 multiply 2, that is 18. Then the variables x cube multiply x raised to the power 4. Here base are same x. So add the exponents. The 3 plus 4 7. So your answer is 18x raised to the power 7. Similarly, you can do question number 2, 3. Now multiply. Question number 2, multiply 2 by 5 x square y and 5 by 3 x cube y square z square. So numerical coefficients 2 by 5 multiply 5 by 3. 5 5 5 1 j 5. So your answer is 2 by 3. Now x square multiply x cube multiply y square multiply z square. So your answer 2 by 3 x raised to the power 5 y cube multiply z square. Now question number 3, multiply 1.2 a square b comma 5 a b raised to the power 4 c square and 1.1 a raised to the power 5 b into c raised to the power 7. So numerical coefficients 1.2 multiply 5 multiply 1.1, that is 12 5 j 60. So 6.0, that is 6. 1.1 multiply 6, you will get 6.6. Now a square multiply a raised to the power 4 equal to a raised to the power 2 plus 1 plus 5, that is 8, a raised to the power 8. Similarly, b square multiply b raised to the power 4 into b equal to b raised to the power 2 plus 4 plus 1, that is b raised to the power 7. C square multiply c raised to the power 7 equal to c raised to the power 2 plus 7, that is c raised to the power 9. Similarly, question number 4, verify it also. Multiply and verify it. 1 by 2 x cube multiply minus 10x multiply 1 by 5 x square. The numerical coefficients 1 by 2 multiply minus 10 multiply 1 by 5 multiply x cube multiply x multiply x square is equal to 2 5 j 10 or 10 1 j 10. So minus 1 multiply x raised to the power 3 plus 1 plus 2, that is x raised to the power 6 equal to minus x raised to the power 6. Now verify when the value of x equal to 1. LHS 1 by 2 x cube multiply minus 10x multiply 1 by 5x square 1 by 2 multiply, put the value of x equal to 1, substitute the value of x equal to 1, the 1 cube multiply minus 10 multiply 1 multiply 1 by 5 multiply 1 square, 1 cube equal to 1. So 1 by 2 multiply minus 10 multiply 1, that is minus 10 multiply 1 square is 1. So 1 by 5 into 1 1 by 5. Now calculate it, you will get minus 1. RHS equal to minus x raised to the power 6 minus value of x is 1 1 raised to the power 6, so equal to minus 1. Now LHS equal to RHS, so verified, your answer is correct. Question number 9, application questions. You have given that the breadth equal to b, let the breadth equal to b, then length equal to a square of breadth, that is b square. You know that the area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth, so write in the place of length b square, or in place of breadth write b. The b square multiply b equal to b cube square unit. Question number 8, you have given that breadth equal to 4x unit and length equal to thrice of its breadth. So 3 into 4x equal to 12x. The area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth equal to 12x in multiply 4x equal to 48x square units. Now worksheet 2, page 115. Find the product of monomial by binomial. So question number 1 x square plus 3xy multiply 4x. Now you have learned in the previous classes, use the distributive property. So 4x square plus 3xy binomial multiply by the monomial 4x. So 4x multiply x square plus 4x multiply 3xy. You will get 4x cube plus 4 3 j 12 x square y. Similarly, question number 2 7x plus 9y square multiply 3xy. 7x multiply 3xy square plus 9y square multiply 3xy square. 7 3 j 21 x into x square y square plus 9 3 j 27 x y raised to the power 4. When x equal to 2 and y equal to 1, verify your answer also. So LHS equal to 7x plus 9y square multiply 3xy square. Now put the value of x equal to 2, so 7 into 2 plus value of y equal to minus 1, so 9 multiply minus 1 whole square, curly bracket close, 3 in place of x write 2, or in place of y write minus 1, the minus 1 whole square. Now 7 2 j 14 plus minus 1 whole square 1, 9 1 j 9, 3 2 3 multiply 2 multiply minus 1 whole square 1. So 14 plus 9 equal to 23, multiply 3 2 j 6, 23 multiply 6, you will get 138. RHS equal to 21 x square y square plus 27 x y raised to the power 4. 21 into value of x is 2, so 2 square, or in place of y write minus 1 whole square plus 27 into 2 into value of y is -1, so -1 raised to the power 4. So 21 multiply 2 square is 4, -1 whole square is 1. 27 into 2 -1 raised to the power 4 equal to +1. So 21 4 j 84 or 27 2 j 54. 84 plus 54 equal to 138. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS verified. So your answer is correct. Now question number 6. Simplify. AB common bracket a square minus b square plus b cube common bracket a minus 2b. AB multiply a square equal to a cube b minus a b cube plus a b cube plus minus minus 2b raised to the power 4. Here plus a b cube minus a b cube, that is 0. So your answer is a cube b minus 2b raised to the power 4. Similarly, you can do question number 2, 3. Thank you. Have a nice day.